Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and in this video I will be reviewing a couple of restaurant and food delivery applications out there. These are PHP scripts here. I'm trying to buy a PHP script to build a food and restaurant application, so I'm reviewing three of them here. The first one here is this one here, this single restaurant Laravel website and admin panel. This for like a single website. So if you're trying to start a restaurant or a food business and you want to have an application that would really manage your business, this single restaurant PHP script would really serve you. You can also see other ones we're going to be reviewing here, which is like Foodomaa here, and also this FoodTiger. This FoodTiger will be also one of them will be reviewing. They all have different features, that's why I'm trying to review them. So depending, like this FoodTiger and also Foodomaa are really for multiple restaurants. So if you're trying to build an application that would manage several restaurants, and restaurants will actually register to have their different restaurants could register on your application to have their restaurants featured on your application. And you can see this one also has a mobile app. So let's just go through them in a minute and see a couple of features they have. So let me start with the FoodTiger here. So if you check out the FoodTiger, if you click the link below, this will bring it to I have links below to all of these PHP scripts. These are actually PHP scripts, so you're having a fully functional web application. This is not WordPress, this is an application. So you're getting the source code, you're getting the script. All you need is all you would require to have this application running for your business. It's you getting a domain name, so you could buy a domain name with either Namecheap or any of those domain providers, and also you get hosting. Preferably you should get cloud hosting. I use cloud hosting to host most of my clients' website. It makes their site really very fast, and also it's scalable because of the features with cloud hosting. It's best practice now to have cloud hosting for your website. Okay, if you go through here, you should be able to see a couple of features. They have a web application here, and it also has a mobile feature for both iOS and Android. You see here they have a customer app, they also have a driver companion app. So this could really automate a full restaurant business, or a kitchen business, or if you're into food delivery, you're trying to set up a food delivery app, this is a go-to for you. Okay, so and you can see here this is what their back end will look like, and you see the roles here on this application. There's an admin panel, there's also the owner, and there's a driver, there's a client face. So this is a complete business all tied together for you in the FoodTiger. So let's just visit the website and see what it looks like. So you can see here, this is what their web application looks like. So you land here, you could actually search an address. So your business, once you launch this script, you could actually pick locations and have restaurants featured in different locations on the application. So for instance, now let's say somebody's searching to buy food from an area. Let's say here someone is in Bronx and is trying to buy food from Bronx. Once he clicks the area, he can just have access to some restaurants that are there. You can see here it will pop up the restaurant, it will pop up also I think the category, and also pop up the price, and also it has this review and rating here on the food. You click the food, I think it allows you to see what the food the restaurant, it opens you to the restaurant selling that particular food, and you actually will get to see the foods they have available in their restaurant. So if you pick any of the foods, you can actually pick the foods and add them to your cart. So that's how this one actually works for the FoodTiger. And let's look at the Foodomaa here. Foodomaa, I don't know how it's pronounced anyways, but this is what it looks like here. The application looks like this, just very simple application. Here if you can see here, try it on your mobile phone. I guess it's a PWA, a progressive web app they have, and it has different applications, both for the customer, for the driver, and the admin managing the platform itself. So you can see majorly they operate using their apps, but they just have a web application that allows you to just see a little bit about the company. You can check the features they have on the Foodomaa: automatic store open close, time scheduling, GPS radius based listing, live order tracking and delivery application, social login, OTP registration, order management with digital wallets, and have different payment processors here. They allow here, you can see PayTime, Razor Pay, they have PayPal, Paystack, you know, and a couple of others, Stripe, 3D. They have a couple of payment processors you could use with a Foodomaa multi-restaurant food ordering system here. Okay, so that's how that works. So let's look at the single restaurant application over here. Now if you click the screenshots, this, like if you're having a single restaurant, you want to use this for a restaurant, you're running a restaurant, or you have a kitchen and you want customers to be able to just visit your website or your web application or your mobile app and order your foods, this is what you should go for. Okay, or you're trying to build a web application for a client that have just a single kitchen, they wouldn't be operating a multiple kitchen restaurants kind of application, so you could just use this one. You can see where it looks like very beautifully designed. I love the UI here, and you see very seamless. See here the products, these are the sliders up here. You can also see the navigation here up here, home, our products, you can track your orders, your favorite list, your wallet. Very beautifully designed. You have a cat icon up here. You can actually check your account details. Scroll down here, you see how it's well arranged. The UI, it's crazy, and the UX also is amazing. So you see here, very simple, the app here, you could install the app if there's an app available. So you can see a contact form here. I love this is beautiful for a single restaurant, very professionally designed. You can see here single restaurant Laravel panel. These are some of the add-ons. It has a single restaurant Android users and a delivery boy app with Laravel admin panel. It also has a single restaurant iOS user and a delivery boy app with Laravel admin panel. This is very lovely. So if you, I think they go for, I think they have several prices. So you can see it's going for $79 currently. It was previously, I think it was previously it was $149, but if you're trying to go for the extended license, which usually is recommended you go for if you're trying to own this application for your company, going for the extended license is best, because you can actually charge customers subscription fees to have used your application. You see here, for having the extended license used by you or one client in a single end product, which end users can be charged for. So you could have you can actually register your users here and actually put them on subscription plans and all that. That is very lovely here. So you can see other features this has: login, search option, manage profile, category and product, order history, favorite, rating options, pickup and delivery options, payment options, restaurant location, admin panel, Firebase, push notification. This is amazing, guys. You can see several features this application has, and if I was going for a single restaurant, I would go for this one. Okay, I would go for this one, but if I was trying to build an application that features multiple restaurants, I would either go for FoodTiger or the Foodomaa. Okay, this one here, or for the Foodomaa multi-restaurant food ordering application. So and you can see their extended license is like $649. So I'm dropping links below to any of these applications you would want to use for your next web project, for any kitchen or restaurant, or any food ordering system or application you're trying to develop for yourself or your clients. And this is not hard, it's a PHP script. So if you are not conversant about installing PHP scripts on cloud servers, I'll create another video that would show you how to launch your startup, launch your restaurant, or even how to install any PHP script at all. The usually follow the same principles, except for a bit of slight changes for some scripts. So that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful, and have a great time, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.